So I hope all of you have downloaded the Revit software, right? So here, after downloading the software, you will see multiple icons on your screen. Here you will see Autodesk Recap, right? Workshop Monitor as well, right? But we will be working on this Revit 2019. So you will click on this button. It will take you to the user interface of Revit, right? First, it will show the welcome screen as it was showing in case of AutoCAD. So a similar type of welcome screen will be first. After that, we will go through the different templates. So it will take some time depending upon the processor, RAM, and other system configuration. Right? Since I am using an IT system, so for me it will lag a bit. Right? That's why I am using here 2019 version. You can use any other version as well. So there are few more additional commands in newer version. I will also discuss those. Right? So basic settings are same in all of these software. Okay. So this is your welcome screen for Revit software. Right? If you see here, you can see some of the resources. Right? Here, what is new option? From here, you can explore that what is new in this Revit 2019. For every version, there will be a different thing in what's new option. Here we have some of the essential skill videos. If you want to learn some of the basics of this software, you can explore these options. Here we have get it started videos as well. So these are all learning resources. You can click on any of these options and explore by yourself. Right? I'm not coming to all these things. So I'm coming to my main part. Here you can see two different things. One is projects and other is families, right? So when we will be working on any project, right? So we will open a new project from here, right? These are your recently opened documents, right? I have worked on the sum of the project. You can see those projects over here. For some of you, here will be some sample projects, right? You can check those sample projects by yourself. For me, it is not available here right now because I have worked a lot on this software and it is showing me the recent files only. Right? In this lower part, we have families, right? Again, we are seeing here open, new, and conceptual mass object. So, what are families is? Families are the components that we will be using in projects, right? Suppose I want to insert some of sofa, TV, or all the things inside my project, right? All these things are called families. We usually load anything from the family into the project, right? Here we can create our own type of families as well. Okay. So if you create any family here, you can use that in any project, right? We can create family inside projects as well as required by the situation. We will be doing that as well, right? Here you can see some of the options. First is open new. Here we have some of the default templates. Here I have architectural template, structural template, mechanical, default, and electric template. If for some of you it is not available here, I will also show you how you can add some more templates over here. But one thing is for sure is we can have maximum 5 templates here. Here you can see architecture, structural, mechanical, electrical. So in these templates, we have some default settings related to project units, related to various units of temperature, area measurement, the user interface. Some default settings are already made in these templates. You can understand this project like this, that these are the multiple gates through which we enter inside the software with the customized setting already available in this, right? So we will be either working on projects or families. We will start with projects. Later, we will discuss how to create families as well, right?